Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in this video we are going to understand how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for new LinkedIn leads. So I run a marketing agency and to promote my agency I am running some LinkedIn lead gen forms. So now here in this case I want that whenever I receive a new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen form, then automatically and instantly my team should get notified about the lead received on our Microsoft Teams channel. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for new LinkedIn leads. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a marketing agency and we get new leads through our LinkedIn ads. So to make sure my team follow-ups with these leads right away, I want to set up a system that connects our LinkedIn lead forms to Microsoft Teams. Now whenever someone fills out a lead form, a notification instantly pops up in our designated Teams channel, and this way my team can see the new lead information in real time, discuss it and take action quickly. It helps us stay on top of new opportunities without missing a beat, ensuring we never lose a lead. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn lead gen form with my Microsoft Teams channels, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pably Connect. So Pably Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error free so you can focus on growing your business hassle free. So this is the homepage of Pably Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pably.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pably apps window where you can see all the applications of Pably. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pably Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pably Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as notify team on Microsoft Teams for new LinkedIn leads, and here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pably Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here, and by clicking on this it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pably Connect. So now moving back to my Pably's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn lead gen forms because I'm receiving new leads through LinkedIn lead gen forms. So LinkedIn lead gen forms are built-in forms that makes it easy for businesses to collect leads directly from their LinkedIn ads. When someone clicks on an ad, the form autofills their LinkedIn profile information so they can submit their details with just a few clicks. People use LinkedIn lead gen forms because it simplifies the process of gathering high quality leads, reducing friction for users and increasing the chances of conversions. It's perfect for businesses looking to capture contact information from professionals without requiring them to leave the LinkedIn platform. So here in my LinkedIn lead gen forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead gen form response, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically Pably Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen form, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pably Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LinkedIn Legion Forms account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn Legion Forms. And here you can see my email and the password has already been pre-filled because here I've already logged in my LinkedIn account. And now I'm going to click on the sign in. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select my account. So here I'm going to use my LinkedIn Legion Form account, which is named as Pabbly's ad account. So this is my account, and here you can see the lead form that has already been updated with the name lead form. So here I'm going to use this particular form because here I'm running a test campaign and I have created a test form with the name lead form. So now here after selecting my account and the lead form, let me take you to my LinkedIn Legion Forms account. So this is my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager, and here I'm running a test campaign with the name Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to open it. And here you can see my test form which I've created with the name lead form, and here I'm going to generate a test lead by clicking on the apply now button given over here. And here you can see my form which has been opened, and here you can see I have received the option to enter the email address and the phone number, and here this first name, last name and company names are the same. That means here in this test submission we can only edit the email address and the phone number. But if you're running the live campaign and if you're running the live ad, then your lead will receive the option to enter the first name, last name and company name also. So here I'm going to do a test submission. So for that, here I'm going to enter the email address as test@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And here after entering the email address and the phone number, this first name, last name and the company name will remain the same. And then I'm going to click on the submit over here. And here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So now here after generating the test lead, let me take you back to my Pabbly's workflow, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the lead type. Here you can see the ID, form name that is lead form, scrolling little down. Here you can see the email address that is test@pabblytudes.com, scrolling little down. Here you can see the phone number that we entered. And here you can see the first name that is Pabbly and the last name that is Subscription Billing Management Services. And here you can see the company name that is Magnet Brains. And also we have received some other details as well. And now here after receiving the lead response over here, I want to notify my team about the lead received in my LinkedIn Legion form. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. But here let me tell you that LinkedIn Legion Forms is a pooling based application. That means it will look for the new responses in every 10 minutes. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. Now I'm going to notify my team about the new lead received on my Microsoft Teams channel. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is a communication and collaboration platform where people can chat, video call and work together on projects all in one place. People use Teams because it makes it easy to stay connected with co-workers, share files and collaborate in real time, whether you're in the office or working remotely. It integrates with other Microsoft tools like Word, Excel and Outlook, making teamwork seamless and organized. Teams is great for businesses and schools to keep everyone on the same page and working efficiently. So here in my Microsoft Teams action step, I'm going to select my action event as send a message in a channel, so that whenever I'm going to receive new leads through my LinkedIn Legion Forms, then automatically a notification alert should be sent to my team on my Microsoft Teams channel. And now here to connect my Microsoft Teams with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Microsoft Teams account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Microsoft Teams. And here I'm going to select my desired account. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So here I'm going to click on this accept and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the team and the channel. So here to select this team and the channel, let me take you to my Microsoft Teams account. So this is my Microsoft Teams account, and here you can see the team under which I have created my channel with the name Pabbly Connect, and here you can see my channel name that is New LinkedIn Leads. So I want to receive the new LinkedIn Leads alert on this particular channel. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the team, I'm going to select my team as Pabbly Connect and my channel as New LinkedIn Leads. And now here, after selecting my team and the channel, here it is asking me for the message. So here in this message field, I need to enter the message which I want to send as an alert whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn Leads in form. So I'm going to enter the message as new LinkedIn lead alert. Hello team, we have just received a new lead from our latest LinkedIn Leads in form. Here are the details: first name, last name, email, phone number. Please review the lead information and reach out promptly to follow up. Let's ensure we make the most of this opportunity. Thank you, regards. So this is the message which I want to send, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of this first name, last name, email and phone number, because here I'm going to enter the details over here. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our LinkedIn Leads in form, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's first name. So here I'm going to search for my lead's first name. So here my lead's first name is Pabli. So here I'm going to map the lead's first name, that is Pabli over here. So here I'm going to map it, and here for the last name I'm going to map the last name. So this is my lead's last name, and here for the email I'm going to map my lead's email. So here I'm going to search for my lead's email. So this is my lead's email, and lastly here I'm going to map the phone number of my lead. So here I'm going to search for the number. So this is my lead's phone number, and now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new notification alert on our Microsoft Teams channels. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response where the message received says new LinkedIn lead alert. Hello team, we have just received a new lead from our latest LinkedIn Leads in forms. Here are the details: first name as Pabli, last name as subscription billing management service, email as test@pablitudes.com, a random phone number. Please review the lead information and reach out promptly to follow up. Let's ensure we make the most of this opportunity. Thank you, regards. So this is the message, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if we have taken our trigger as LinkedIn Leads in forms and our action as Microsoft Teams, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our LinkedIn Leads in forms, then automatically it is going to send a notification alert to our team on our Microsoft Teams channel. So these were the steps to how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for new LinkedIn leads. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.